Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to work out why a student is apparently making no progress. So what you might see in the system is a child has 0% progress, yet the teacher is telling you that they have actually entered progress. So we need to work out what's going on. If I give you an example, I've got a couple of examples here. If I go to individual reports and I go to Pupil Summary here, we work out what this student's doing. We'll go with student 2. And we go to display. What you'll see now is that it says 0% progress. But if I go to assessments mastered for this student for that same time period, have a look, you will see actually this student has indeed made progress. So why is it coming out as 0%? Well, the best place to find out what's going on is level summary. So if I go to level summary here, what I can see here is that this child has got 38% at step 5 and 15% at step 6. But what is quite obviously missing from English here, English reading, is that there is no completed level. And that's the issue. There is nothing. And if I look at this status column, it identifies to me where this student is sitting, and it is currently 0% at step 1. So irrespective of the fact that there is data up here, it is still only looking here. Nice easy one to fix. All you need to do is put the baseline in. Let's say we already know that's meant to be step 4. What I can do is I can click on complete, level complete, and I'm going to set it to this date last year, and I'm going to go to save. And it warns me that I can't do that because that's before the student was in the school. So let's go back to the 1st of September. It likes that, and I enter that in there. So now if I go back to Pupil Summary and I run this report from the 1st of September and I click display, now shows me the 38% progress. So that's situation number 1, there is no baseline for that child. Situation number 2, if I go to student 3 and I run this report, you'll see that this is also coming out and saying 0% progress. If I go back to assessments mastered and I run for student 3 in English, I can actually see here that there has been assessment points entered. So what's going on? So we're going to go back to level summary again, look at student 3, and see what's going on. And what we can see here is the baseline is set on step 4, there's nothing in step 5, and there are assessment points in step 6. So the issue here is, although progress has been entered, it's been entered above the current level they're working. So the system is always saying they've gone from 0% at step 5 to 0% at step 5. This may be that the baseline is in the wrong place or the teacher's been entering into the wrong level. In the instance that it's in the wrong place, to repair it, all I need to do is remove the current best fit and go save and actually move it up to step 5 where it should be and put that date back to the 1st of September and go save. And now when I go back to Pupil Summary, we should see that 32% progress. So that is the other way that you can fix a student who is showing no progress.